In this video, I'm using a Raspberry Pi B Plus model. So I ordered the Canakit. I think it's called the Ultimate Starter Kit. I think I bought it for 73 bucks, but now it's 69 bucks. So this video will show you how to set up the LED and get it working and stuff like that. You don't need to know how Breadboard works, anything like that. Just follow my lead and you should be able to figure it out. So I already have the GPIO to I believe it's called Breadboard interface cable already plugged in. It's not really that hard, so just make sure it matches up. Do you see where 3-volt plus, it lines up with the red, and the minus, it lines up with minus, and same thing for the other side. And I have it connected to the third one, so let's just you can see it's on the third one. Let's get another camera angle on the third one. So you can pause the video and see how it's set up. It's not too complicated. I hope you guys will be able to figure it out. I did not want to open the interface. Now get a resistor that looks like this. So that's a brown, black. I think that's a brown, black, and then orange. This is a 1000 ohm resistor. Don't worry about it. So just get a resistor that looks like this, and then plug it to the GPIO 17. So it should go like this, and the other end would go just right behind it. Okay, now it's time to get a LED. I picked red. I don't know why, but I picked red. So the bigger side is positive and the smaller side is negative. So plug in the bigger side just on the right there. The bigger side should match up with the resistor, and the negative should match up with ground. So here I have the resistor lining up with 17, and then here is the positive, and then here's the negative. And then plug in your ribbon cable and set up your Raspberry Pi. I hope you know how to set up a Raspberry Pi. If you don't, maybe you should not even watch tutorials about LEDs and stuff. So just take a note on this. GPIO 17 is number 11 pin, so the code will make sense a bit more. So let's go ahead and go to the computer. Now log into your Raspberry Pi. I'm assuming that you're running Raspbian, so just log in Pi, and the password is Raspberry if you didn't know. And then go to the desktop environment by typing start X. You don't really have to, but this is for the noobs who don't know how to use terminal and stuff like that. Now click on the file manager, and that should pop up a window. And then in here, I create a new folder called for video to make things organized. If you want to follow along, you should probably also create a folder called for video, FORVIDEO, without any space. Okay, now inside the for video folder, we're gonna create a new blank file. So when you click on this, this will pop up, and call it, let's see what I call it, led.py, and then press OK. Make sure you have .py, otherwise it's just not gonna work. So and then right click on led.py or double click it. You should have this text document thing open up. Okay, so here's what the code looks like. I will have it on my website. So the last line where it says GPIO.output and then parenthesis LED, comma GPIO.high, that means it's on. If you have GPIO.low, that means it's off. So pretty simple, and yeah, let's do it. Okay, to run the application, you're gonna need to open up LX terminal. So inside here, so now we're gonna change our directory to for video. That's the folder that we created. So you can press ls to list all the stuff in the folder. So I put cd for video, that directs me to for video, and then I created a file named led.py. We're gonna open it up using sudo python space led.py. This is an administrative comment, that's why you need to put sudo and python, so Python application. So after you put that in, your LED should light up. Okay, to now turn off the LED light, go to that text document and change the last line where it says .high to .low, and then you're gonna need to save it and then run the application again. Okay, now when you run the application again, your LED should turn off. That is how you turn on our LED and turn the LED off. I have a link in the description that you guys should definitely check out. This video helped me a lot. How a breadboard works, it's really not complicated. So please watch this video. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. I will have more Raspberry Pi content coming out soon. Bye.